जब भी लाए हैं हम किड्स टीवी।
What is this?
Onion,
Onion. Onion means
प्याज,
what is this?
potato,
Potato means
आलू,
yes, aloo. What is this?
carrot,
Carrot. Carrots mean
गाजर,
yes, gajar. What is this?
garlic,
Yes, garlic. Garlic means
लहसुन,
lesson. What is this?
ginger,
Yes, ginger. Ginger means
अदरक,
yes, adrak. What is this?
radish,
Radish. Radish means
मूली,
yes, mooli. What is this?
lady finger,
Yes, lady finger. Lady fingers means
भिंडी,
yes, phindi. What is this?
ब्रिंजल,
Brinjal. Brinjal means
बैगन,
yes, bagan. What is this?
टमाटो,
Tomato. Tomato means
टमाटर,
yes, tomato. What is this?
green chili,
Yes, green chili. Green chili means
हरी मिर्च,
yes, hari mirch. What is this?
lemon,
Yes, lemon. Lemon means
लींबू,
yes, limu. What is this?
peas,
Peas. Peas means
मटर,
yes, matar. What is this?
corn,
Yes, corn. Corn means
भुट्टा,
yes, butta. What is this?
cucumber,
Cucumber. Cucumber means
खीरा,
yes, kheera. What is this?
mint leaf,
Yes, mint leaf. Mint leaf means
पुदीना,
yes, podina. What is this?
coriander leaf,
Yes, coriander leaf. Coriander leaf means
हरा धनिया।
yes, hara dhanya. Please like and subscribe my channel.